Hello and welcome to Solve for today's video and the answer to my stack the bottles problem. So to know which way is much more efficient, we have to calculate the volume, but actually the volume, since the length of the bottles is the same, is actually directly related to the area of the drawings I made, which is directly related to the height of the stack because the width is the same. So we have to see which way to stack the bottles goes up slower than the other. For the first way of stacking, with the rows of 4 bottles, each time we add up some 4 bottles, the height of the stack is increased by the diameter of the bottles. So on average, the height is increased by 1/4 of the diameter per bottle. For the other stack, we need a little bit of geometry because we will consider those equilateral triangles, and each time we add up 2 rows, the stack goes up twice the altitude of those triangles. The altitude of a triangle, of an equilateral triangle, is not difficult to calculate using the Pythagorean theorem, and it is the length of its side multiplied by the square root of 3 and divided by 2. So since we have twice this height and the length of the side is our diameter, it makes that each time we add up 7 bottles, we add up twice this altitude in height, which makes the diameter multiplied by square root of 3 and divided by 2, multiplied again by 2. So on average, we have an increase of the square root of 3 times the diameter divided by 7 per bottle, and this number, the square root of 3 divided by 7, is slightly smaller than 0.25, which is smaller than the increase with the other stacking, which means that if you have a large amount of bottles, this way of stacking 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3 is slightly more efficient, and that's the solution to my problem. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time for next problem. Bye bye.